I'd like to share with you all the benefits of using Office 365. Let's get started. From the My Mission portal, click on this app icon for Office 365. Office 365, now known as Microsoft 365, is a cloud platform that gives you, as a Mission College student, access to Microsoft 365's latest apps and services for free. Here, you can find the latest versions of Microsoft, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, and more. The apps and services Microsoft 365 let you create, share, and collaborate all in one virtual place. Microsoft Word can be used for written assignments. Excel can be used to create lists or spreadsheets, and PowerPoint can be used to create presentations for your courses. Microsoft 365 empowers all students to work with the tools to work together more efficiently. And with up to 5 GB of free storage, you can save the work on the Microsoft 365 cloud storage. We encourage you to utilize Microsoft 365 in your academic journey here at Mission College. It will benefit you in your educational experience.